Hello everyone. Hope you all are studying. In the previous video, I discussed about Braille and the special facilities that are available for the differently abled people. So, at first, let's have a quick revision of the topics discussed in the previous video. Braille is a language used by the visually challenged people. It has raised dots on which the visually challenged people run their fingers, which helps them in reading. It was discovered by Louis Braille in the year 1824. The facilities available to the differently abled people about which I discussed earlier were ramps and special compartments. Ramp is an inclined plane alongside the stairs which helps the wheelchair users to easily access the buildings. In trains, there are special compartments for the differently abled people, that is the reserved berths, which helps them in having a safe journey. Now proceeding further with our today's topic, in which we will discuss about the other facilities provided to the differently abled people and the reason why we should be sensitive towards them. Audiobooks. These books are in the form of recorded cassettes and CDs which help the visually challenged and the speech challenged people to hear and learn many things. Braille number pads. These are found in the lifts, watches, phones, etc. and are used by the visually challenged people. Special schools. Some children who cannot attend regular schools attend a special school which is equipped with facilities and teachers who cater to the needs of the children according to their needs. Now, coming to our next topic, that why we should be sensitive towards the differently abled people. Differently abled people face many hardships and problems. They face difficulty even in performing simple activities. We should treat them with courtesy and should encourage and motivate them. We should try to understand their emotions and should think before we speak to them, such that their feelings don't get hurt. We should avoid showing them pity and we should remember that they are people blessed with unique capacities. We should always ask before giving assistance to them and should not think that they are weak. We should always remember that they are also human beings. So, that's all in this chapter. So, study hard and go through all the important topics in this video. Thank you.